SECO is a company of champions. Our local, hard-working employees raise their families in the communities we serve.
Hi, I'm Mark Bowling. I worked at SECO for over 30 years now. I've had the privilege to work in 4 operations centers. At this time, I work in the Groveland yard. Like all the operations center, we have great employees that are dedicated to SECO Energy and go out of their way and work long hours for our customers. And I was raised in North Lake County, graduated from Umatilla High School. I've got 3 kids that are going to graduate from Umatilla High School also.
When people ask what I do, they smile and say my dad's in line for SECO Energy and he'll be there getting your lights on.
They spend a lot of time at the ballparks. We serve 3 or 4 of the ballparks in Lake County and the big complexes, and we're proud of the service we give these ballparks and the growing community. I'll tell you, I've got plenty of family and friends. They'll look at that storm center, they're on our lines, and they'll go to that thing and they'll look at it and they use it. Especially easy to use like that, that's another thing. We are storm ready. It's our privilege to serve your family's energy needs.